gotta look at the teeth. Are you filming? Oh my god, are you filming?
Alright kids, where are we going?
We're going to Rainforest Cafe! Atlantic City! We all said 3 very different things.
Who's ready for a 4-hour road trip?
4 hours?
4 hour
going to my house?
Road trip, yeah.
We're taking a little detour to your
It's the birthday, early birthday bird, birthday?
Birthday bird.
Early birthday, boys!
It's the bird. It's the bird. Oh, he's so cute. Look how happy he is.
What? Oh.
It's just your glasses.
Oh, hey.
Alright.
Say hi!
Welcome everybody. We are at the Rainforest Cafe. This is the birthday trip. To the left, Shane. To the right, Colin. Behind the camera, Kate. Waiting on
Dos Mas. Right there.
There's Kate. So we ordered our beverages. Panama Punch, aka my go-to, my favorite. Shane got.
I always get something different. I got the Black Cherry River Rush, and if I don't like that, I'm gonna get the Tropical Dragon Burrito.
I got Raspberry Rainfall. I'm gonna be raining on this fall. And then once Johnny and Elaine get here, we'll be ordering our food. And then Kate.
I got the strawberry mojito.
We will show our other guests. Alright, we'll show them anything we got.
Alright. Alright, we're here post-meal. Kate?
This was my meal.
Oh, wow.
Like 7 beverages.
What'd you get and how was it?
I got the mozzarella flatbread with arugula. I don't know.
What'd you get and how was it?
I got I got this drink in this cool cup. It's a Black Cherry River Rush. Then I got cheese curds with like little fried onions on top of them. They were really tasty. And then I got basically a hot honey chicken sandwich, and I put the leftover fried onions on the chicken sandwich. It was really tasty. And yeah, that was all I got.
What'd you get and how was it?
I got what Shane got, but with the coleslaw, because I'm no and then I got the Raspberry Rainfall drink, followed by the other drink that Shane got. So he said to take
What'd you get and how was it?
It's a new dish, elephant stew.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Shoot, are they endangered?
Only if you don't take the tusks.
Yeah.
You want me to watch that? That's all.
Take the whole elephant, leave the tusks.
It was the salmon and coconut rice. They should have just left the rice off. They were good with the shrimp and the salmon should just quit there, but they pushed their luck and rice was not nice.
Didn't hit the mark.
Yeah.
Rice was not nice. Put that on a t-shirt.
I'll buy that. I'll
Like the gift shop.
Alright, what'd you get and how was it?
I got the Big Island, emphasis on Big Island chicken Caesar salad. It was not good.
you like it?
It was sour, like a sour Caesar dressing.
Oh.
Alright, so I'll be honest. It's part of the atmosphere. So they know where we are.
This is the monkey that made my Caesar salad because it sucked.
Oh my god.
I didn't finish it. I got fries, so the fries were good, but there were like 8 of them on the plate. And
8 fries for $8.
But it filled me up, so I guess I can't complain. I was satisfied, so I guess I'm just worried about fries. But the Big Island Caesar salad, it was big. I would say more like mid-island.
Mid-island Caesar salad.
The bowl is an optical illusion. So, I would say it's mid, sour, why I kept tilting my plate over because I was trying to cut the chicken, but it was not cutting. So mid. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 10.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Just named it Rainforest Cafe.
I got the Blue Mountain Capri's chicken sandwich. And it was absolutely fantastic. I ate every bite. I gobbled it all down. Minecraft munching noises. I also got my Panama Punch and I slurped that all down. And it was muy bien. But now we are packing up and about to go home. Okay, Sue Jordan. Yeah.
We're in AC, man. Let's go gambling!
Oh.
Okay, we are going downstairs to see the theme of Jordan's birthday. This was extremely hard because this theme doesn't have party things. So, this is really hard to see. But it's a little like, the theme is Avatar, hence the Jake Sully pinata. So we got a little waterfall with some balloons. And then these are supposed to be like the trees there, like the Maewa tree. The happy birthday sign, some leaves, some that. I'm blanking on the name. And then we have like a little, that's supposed to be like the main tree because it's the biggest one. Then you got another little waterfall coming in. I really wasn't able to do much with this theme just because it's very niche. But this is it. And I'm pretty happy with it. I was trying to do a cardboard cutout of Jake Sully, but it's not turning out too well, and I already spent so much money on all this, so maybe not. I might bring a skeleton from Halloween in here and smack a face picture of Jake Sully on it, but we'll see. So see what I feel like. But yeah, let me turn around the camera. You guys can see me. But this is it. I hope he likes it. Took me a long time, and I keep wanting to add things. It's because this is one of the themes that I felt like was the most lackluster of things. Like, I really had to improvise on a lot of things. This I'm pretty proud of, just because I was like, oh, that'd be cool if I have a Maewa tree. But yeah, so here's the setup. So hopefully I can pull this Jake Sully out of my butt right now for the cardboard cutout. But let's see. But alright, I'll be back in, I guess, when either Jordan arrives or when I'm done doing Jake Sully. So. The birthday boy is here.
What's up?
Got Fred. Oh. Excited?
Alright.
Do you know any guesses on the theme?
Lego?
I don't know. I'm gonna have to find out. Okay, we'll tune in a little bit.
Avatar themed birthday.
Yes.
Whoa.
You got the Maewa tree right here.
Oh my god.
Maewa.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Happy birthday! Yay!
That pinata is so funny.
Jake Sully
Thirst trap.
Thirst trap t-shirt looking picture. Oh my god.
It's a I feel like I'm in Pandora right now.
You look.
Oh, why don't you have a look at the cupcakes?
Oh god. I almost hit these. Oh. Oh my god, guys, they're Avatar themed.
You got my Awa on there too.
This is great.
Now connect your braid to that.
Right. It's not season out.
Oh my
Now
god.
kiss your brother.
Oh my god, this is fantastic.
That's what it sounds like when Jordan's drinking root beer.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Birthday, dear Jordan. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
You're turning 3!
Woo! Oh, look at him go!
Dude.
Yay! Let me get a look. Let me get a good look. Wow.
Here, I'll turn it around.
Wow. Are you happy, buddy? You happy, kiddo?
Yeah.
Yay.
Sully. I, Jake Sully. I outcast, you outcast.
All right. It's Jordan's birthday. And we're here with him. Hey, buddy.
Hey,
There
how
you
big of a piece you want?
I'll take the same size as his. Yeah. So, there's his ice cream cake. You having a good birthday party?
Yeah, I'm having a blast.
That's good. What's your favorite part about it so far?
There's been a lot of Shane nudity in this party that I was not expecting.
That's good to hear. I'm so happy for you.
Yeah, like
Can you hold the cake?
his butt.
What's wrong, buddy? You seem nervous. You seem
yeah.
nervous.
I have the utensils upstairs.
You seem nervous. Oh, you hear that? Kate's gonna leave us alone for a little while.
Yeah, why are you scratching your leg like that?
Nothing, I just get nervous around you.
Why are you breathing so maniacally?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
You're so true for your age.
Now.
Okay. This is the pinata, y'all. Gotta get set. Please don't hit. Wait, no, I'm afraid you're gonna hit my arm. Wait, let me face it this way. Hold on, hold on, hold
That's
on.
good, I can see it. No.
I can smack in someone's butt. Oh, jeez. Ah! Okay, go on, you need to hold this one.
Alright, trade.
Changing the guards, Colin's turn. You got it.
Ah! You're aiming it towards me!
Get that down.
Wait, there's a drink! Move it the other way!
Hang on, pause.
Okay. We're back.
Ooh, that was good. Ooh.
was a little too hard on my finger.
Alright, I guess I'll just flip it. Unfortunately, the
Oh, dang.
it's getting a little naked.
Alright. I'm ready. Yeah, move that out of the way. Alright, kiddo.
Oh, jeez.
Happy birthday, Jordan!
Oh my god.
I think it's the fact that you did. Hey, wait.
Let me see, let me see it.
Still okay. Yeah. I was gonna say you didn't get like all the way through.
Yeah, the $1 million animatronic that never fucking works.
You want these down?
Well, how was your day? It was very
Oh,
fun, Jordan.
no.
Thank you for asking. How was your early birthday party?
Good.
Shane, can you get
Favorite part?
other tray over there and get that?
Giving you my gift. My.
Oh, be a good boy and get on your knees for him.
Kate, how was today?
It was great. Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
If you had a good time, I had a good time.
Favorite part?
Your reaction to Shane's picture.
Shane?
Oh, hey. Sorry, didn't see you guys there. How can I help you guys?
Favorite part?
You know,
Lame bad joke.
I think my favorite part was that I got to spend time with my friends.
Boo!
And also seeing your reaction to
Lame
my picture.
answer.
Seeing your reaction to my picture, and also talking about how the beast has a big cock and it can't get up the wall.
Be gentle. I don't know. Stop taking the walls. These are the
Well, everybody, that is a wrap on the birthday vlog. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that each and every single one of you had fun, as much fun as we had filming and making and doing this whole entire experience. I just want to thank each and every single one of you for watching and having fun out here. And we'll see you all in the next one. Yeah. Peace out, everybody.